Hello mga media, this is Mommy RB and I'm back for another question and answer portion para sa family visit visa for Saudi Arabia. So before we start, I do have a YouTube channel wherein I share all of the information that you need to know about family visit visa for Saudi Arabia. You can head over to my YouTube channel, may playlist ako dyan that can actually help you para mas mapabilis natin yung process. Also, if you are looking for hotels or any activities anywhere around the globe, or if you are that kind of a person na mahilig mag-DIY and travel, I suggest for you to use Klook app and get up to 5% off kung gagamitin mo yung aking code na Mommy RB Klook. If you are looking for affordable flights, I suggest you can use trip.com. Use my affiliate link para mas maka-discount ka at magkaroon ng napakaraming voucher. And lastly, if you are looking for hotels naman, ng wider selection of hotels, you can use Agoda. And use my affiliate link kasi meron niyang discount and it will give you more voucher. So, let's start. Sagutin natin tong tanong dito ni Madam Kimidora. Ang sabi niya dito, "Hi ma'am, how many days po bago ma-release yung visa nyo?" Ang tinutukoy niya is yung visa namin na family visit visa for Saudi Arabia. Magugulat kayo pag sasabihin kong 4 business days lang ay meron na kaming visa. Mauuna nyong marireceive yung inyong yung email ng cashier na approve na yung visa nyo, then naka-attach din doon yung PDF copy ng inyong mga visa. So bakit PDF copy? Kasi wala na pong stamp or na nakadikit doon sa ating passport. At pag dumating po sa inyo, kung nagpa-courier kayo, dadating sa inyo yung papeles, lahat ng papeles nyo kasama yung passport, and then makikita nyo doon yung printed copy ng inyong visa. Huwag kayong mag-alala kasi alam na nila yan na pag tinap yung passport nyo, kahit saan kayo magpunta sa Saudi o sa Pilipinas, lalabas na yung information nyo ng inyong visa. Pero syempre, dalahin nyo pa rin yung kopya ng inyong visa kasi kailangan yan, yung printed copy. And yung sa iba, ang na-chismis sa akin ng ibang mga subscribers and followers ko, 1 day lang daw na-approve na sila. It depends talaga. It depends siguro sa dami ng tao or sa dami na nag-a-apply and sa mga requirements na naipasa or sa kanilang evaluation. There's nothing to worry, no? There's nothing to worry kung, for example, November kayo nag-accomplish ng visa, December kayo aalis. Okay lang yan kasi ganun yung ginawa namin. So, 4 business days pa lang, nagkaroon na kami ng visa and from there, December 13, umalis na kami. So, November kami nag-accomplish. So, yun, there's nothing to worry with the visa. Ang kailangan nyo lang talagang paghandaan is the documents. Kasi once na mapasa nyo na yan sa cashier, dire-diretso na yun, mabilis na yun. At mas pinabilis pa nga kasi hindi na kayo magfa-vaccine. Remind ko lang from time to time talaga, siguro dapat everyday ko yata or lagi ko nilalagay sa video ko na wala ng polio and yellow fever vaccine for family visit visa. I check it